A pregnant woman, her husband and their 4 children traveling from Marymount in Rushinga to Chinoi were among the 9 people who perished in a horrific accident involving 2 Honda-Fit vehicles in Mazowe on Monday. The government has since declared the accident a national disaster and offered state-assisted funerals to the bereaved families. Our Mashonaland Central correspondent Fungai Lupande visited the accident scene today and compiled the following report.
A somber mood engulfed Concession Hospital earlier today as some families gathered to identify the bodies of their loved ones who perished in the Mazowe accident around 2 a.m. on Monday. The early Monday morning road traffic accident saw 2 Honda-Fit vehicles involved in a head-on collision along Harare-Bindura Highway, with 9 people perishing. The other vehicle had 6 family members, a pregnant mother, her husband and 4 children, who all perished in the grisly accident. The carnage shattered the holiday mood that had already gripped the family as they were traveling from Rushinga to Chinoi, where they had visited some relatives to spend some special time with them during the festive season holidays. The other vehicle had artisanal miners who had hired one Promise Magubo to take them to Greendale after a beer hall in Mazowe had closed. Authorities believe the vehicle, which caught fire at the scene, reducing other vehicles to ashes, was not roadworthy.
Besides the fact that the engine is away from the body, it's a sign that the vehicle was not roadworthy. Obviously, not have a situation whereby an impact caused an engine to fly almost 10 meters from the scene of the accident. It also shows that at the time of the vehicle was hired, it was not roadworthy.
Promise father is finding it difficult to come to terms with the tragedy.
3 akabuda kusanganisira na Promise anga driver akatsva makumbo. Uyu mukomana uyu akaberekerwa Concession Hospital, akaenda kuchikoro Mazowe Citrus, akaitira grade 7 yake, akanoti Rushinga High School Mazowe Mine ndiko akaitira form 4 yake. Ndofunga mwana akandorwadza ndianga pamwe pangu akivana vese asi Mwari anditorera zvisina.
The government has since declared the accident a national disaster, offering state-assisted funerals to the bereaved families.
State-assisted funeral, in a way, ensure what you are saying to kubata government maoko kurerutsa dambudziko, so that the burden that is on the family will be lessened. So we will assist with coffins, we will assist with some foodstuffs, we will assist with the process of burial itself.
As possible solutions to help the rise of accidents continue to be raised, the government has warned of stiffer penalties to would-be offenders going forward, as asked drivers to be cautious.
Should be avoided worse driving. Drinking and driving is actually prohibited. It's a crime. We don't encourage that, and that is actually a crime. Actually, when we are under fatigue, try to pull off the road, get some rest, then you continue your journey.
The accident came in the midst of the countrywide campaigns to raise awareness on road traffic accidents, with damning statistics being part of the conversations.
5 ndo vanofa uye 5 iyi yandiri kutaura inhamba yandatodzikisa. Tinowana zvakare vanhu vangakwana kuita 38 makumi matatu navasere vanokuvara mumigwagwa yedu.